Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to use the Spring Vibes sticker book from Planything to decorate the Simply layout pages that I like to add into my planner. So I have the week of the 5th through the 11th, and I find that these books have been really nice to use in here just to add a little decor around, since this is only one page worth of space to work with. I don't want to like overload it with a lot of stickers, but I do want to put some cute stickers down. So I have Spring Vibes. This is a new sticker book from Planything. It's super adorable. I know it's not spring yet, but I like the book, so I'm just going to use it. And I always feel like it's nice to show this stuff before to give ideas to everybody, because spring is hopefully around the corner, and we can start doing some spring spreads. But I want to use this page right here. I think this one is so pretty. I love the pinks and blues. So I'm going to use this page to decorate this spread and just add a little bit of decor here and there. That's kind of like it. Like, I love this window. Actually, let me pull this out because there's two sheets. That's another great thing in these Planything books is oh, they're perforated too. So it is perforated so that way you can rip the pages out, which is nice. But there's two pages, so if I want to do another spread like during spring, I can do another one here. So that's always nice. And then there are some boxes in here. I did kind of use a lot already that might match with this, but I also have some of Jojo's books that I can pull in too. Oh, and then there's quotes in here as well in this book. But I'm going to focus more on these decorative stickers. Okay, so I really love the window. I think that's super cute. So I'm just going to take the window and add it here in the middle, or not the middle, sorry, on this side, because I still have enough room to write, but then I get like a little bit of decor up here, which I like. Oops, actually, let me lower this a little bit more. So if you're not familiar with this layout, this is just basically the right side of a dashboard planner. So usually a dashboard planner has another sheet on this side that has more like areas for writing in. But the Simply layout is just this every week. So here's the next week, the 12th through the 18th. It's just a very, like the name is, a very simple layout to work with. And a lot of people have been really enjoying using this one because it's just nice. It's nice and simple. But I love this sticker too. I think this one might be my favorite one because I just love the colors. So pretty. Let me cut this off. Oops. Okay. Nice pops of color. And then I like these little hanging ones. Oh, and this one's cute. So once I add boxes, I'm going to add some of these smaller ones. I'm just getting like the big stuff on the page. And I'm trying to decide, do I want to do a door or the house? I'm thinking maybe door, because I can get the door like kind of here. We'll see. Yeah, there's still room on either side. It covers the date a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, let me get some boxes down now that I got some of those down. And I have some of Jojo's books. I have functional boxes. I haven't looked to see if these will match, but we're gonna go with it. Ooh, that's a nice purple. There we have this blue. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. Okay, it looks like I'll have colors to work with. And then I brought the mini one because I never use the mini stuff. I don't use a mini, but you can use mini in any sizes or any planner size. Like these all will work. Oh, this color is pretty too. I really like this color. Okay, so let's go. I'm trying to decide. Do I want to just do purples? Maybe, because I really love the purple. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to put this purple box here for Sunday. And I really like this shape right here. So let's put this over here. And then let me go back to my stickers because there's some like, there's this one that I could hang stuff. Let's see about doing that. I kind of don't like that it's like right above the other one. Changing my mind. Maybe I'll just do like a little box. Okay, I'm thinking I'm gonna push this up a little bit because I don't like that everything's lined up to the right. It's kind of not how I want to do it. Okay, so I move this to the right so that way I can have a decorative element to the left. Okay, that feels better. I like that. Oh yeah, I like this purple color. I could bring in this darker purple. I think I might just go with purples. So I'm really liking this color. Oh, and then I have these little boxes. See, these are great for this layout. You can add like a couple more boxes. Like maybe I can add this one here. Another space to write. Maybe you have like a meeting or you're meeting up with somebody, you can write it in here and you can write in your like errands here. That's usually like how I use this kind of layout. Or when I put stickers down, I try to be like mindful of that kind of stuff. Oops. But here, this is just like extra space for me to write in, so that's what I kind of use this for. Okay, let me get some more of those purple boxes. The darker purple. I'll put one here. I really want to get this little birdhouse. It's cute. Ooh, what was I gonna say? The bike is cute too. I'm gonna put this guy here. I think that's cute. I'm gonna get some smaller light blue or light purple boxes down. So got some of these tiny little baby ones. So in this, I'm tracking like just some like habits and stuff for myself. So these little boxes here and there will be nice to fill in. So that'll work. Actually not gonna be, I'm gonna be out of town on Saturday and part of Friday. So I don't need too much room because I won't be really tracking those days like I will the other days. I don't want to put the bike. I don't think I really have anywhere to put the bike unless I put it here. No. Here. No, I do need the space there. I'm just gonna put it there. It's a little bit of room, but like I said, I am going out of town, so I won't be tracking in this layout. I want to put another box. No, I think I want bullet points. Bullet points would be nice. I don't think they're bullet points in this book, but I have bullet points in, let me see. I have a bullet point somewhere. Okay, I usually keep this like near me, but for some reason I decided to put it somewhere else. So it took me a bit to find it. But this is a check it off sticker book, and I have a bunch of bullet points in here that I can use. Let's go with the dark purple. So I want to put a couple on Friday. And maybe I can do, I'll do one here. I could write one thing down there. And I think that's good. So I am gonna see in here if I have any quotes that I could possibly add. I want to bring in black. No, I think I like this grayish color. These are just like nice little quotes. This one says seek joy, and I can add them like on the top of some boxes, which I think will be good. So I have seek joy. We'll do a you can here, although that's kind of funny. We'll do it on top of here. Let's see if there's any other quotes. I guess I'll just add in some more gray stuff. This one says, you should just go for it. I just like having inspirational kind of quotes around the page. This one just says here and now. Okay, I think that works. All right, so that is gonna be it for this spread in my Simply layout. Again, this is from Spring Vibes, Planything sticker book. It's available right now. I have a 10% off code if you're interested in purchasing. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you wanna see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.